Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon advertising negative keywords. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're diving into a crucial aspect of Amazon advertising: how to use negative keywords to refine your ad targeting and maximize your campaign performance. Negative keywords are a powerful tool that allows you to exclude certain search terms from triggering your ads. This helps you focus your ad spend on the most relevant and profitable searches. Here's how you can effectively use negative keywords on Amazon. First, log into your Seller Central account and navigate to the advertising section. From there, click on the campaign you want to manage or create a new one. Once you're in the campaign settings, look for the option to add negative keywords. This is usually found under the targeting settings for your ad groups. Now let's talk strategy. Identify search terms that are not relevant to your product or that attract clicks without leading to conversions. These are the terms you want to add as negative keywords. For example, if you're selling high-end watches, you might want to exclude terms like cheap watches or free watches to avoid attracting clicks from users looking for lower-priced options. Consider using phrase or exact match types for your negative keywords, depending on how specific you want to be in excluding search terms. Monitor your campaign performance regularly to identify new negative keywords. Look for search terms that are driving traffic but not converting into sales. Adding these as negatives can help improve your ad targeting efficiency. Amazon also provides insights into search terms that trigger your ads. Use this data to refine your negative keyword list and continually optimize your campaigns. By using negative keywords effectively, you can reduce wasted ad spend, improve your ad relevance, and ultimately drive better ROI from your Amazon advertising campaigns. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.